Rooms in my house. Hello friends. Today we will learn about the rooms in my house. A house has many rooms. Each room has its own use. Let's go inside my house. Bedroom. This is the bedroom. We sleep and rest here. It has a bed, pillow and cupboard. Kitchen. This is the kitchen. Food is cooked here. We see a stove, fridge and utensils. Dining room. This is the dining room. We sit and eat our food here. Living room. This is the living room. We welcome guests here. We sit with our family and watch TV. Bathroom. This is the bathroom. We brush our teeth and take a bath here. Washroom. This is the washroom. We must keep it clean and dry. All rooms in a house are important. We must keep them neat and clean. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.